Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you enjoy in-depth tech reviews, please hit that subscribe button right now. Today, we're diving into the Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop, model RV2610WA. This unit promises incredible performance in both vacuuming and mopping, all housed in a convenient self-emptying base. First off, the vacuuming power is serious. It uses Matrix Clean technology, which means it cleans in a precision grid pattern, taking multiple passes to ensure thorough dirt removal, boasting 30% better carpet cleaning (NG) than previous single-pass models. For edges and corners, Clean Edge Detect uses targeted air blasts to pull debris into the cleaning path, delivering 50% better edge cleaning. It's also fantastic for pet owners. The self-cleaning brush roll is engineered to pick up more hair and actively resists hair tangles. When it comes to hard floors, this machine steps up with sonic mopping, scrubbing at 100 times per minute, and you can even initiate Matrix Mop in the app for targeted zones needing 50% better stain cleaning. Essential for health-conscious homes, the base features true HEPA filtration, trapping 99.97% of dust and allergens down to 0.3 microns, all sealed within the Bagel's base. Speaking of the base, it's an XL self-empty system, holding up to 60 days of dirt and debris, so you don't have to worry about daily emptying. The robot also uses 360-degree lidar vision for precision home mapping, quickly scanning and mapping your home so it navigates methodically, avoiding obstacles day or night. It supports Wi-Fi and the Shark Clean app, where you can set custom cleaning schedules, no-go zones, and use features like recharge and resume so it finishes the job if the battery runs low. Included in the box, you get the robot, the XL HEPA self-empty base, one filter, one side brush, 2 reusable mopping pads, and a starter bottle of cleaning solution. Overall, this Shark Matrix Plus is a powerful, smart, and low-maintenance cleaning solution for both carpets and hard floors. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.